How we doing, people? Right here with Noobverse VR, where we play the latest, newest, current, old. It don't matter. It's on you to us. We're about to be playing this game, Pistol Whip. You can get it on Meta Horizon Plus. I hope you guys like it. We're about to get into it right now.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Is y'all seeing this? I'm looking like John Wick up in this scene. We're about to hit the Matrix pretty soon here too. Oh, just right there. That's crazy.
Due to some violent content, parental discretion is advised.
Let me know something. What do you guys think about this game so far? Just like that, we just completed a round. First time playing the game. How did I do? You guys liking this? I really recommend it. This is a really cool game. I'm about to be playing this a lot more. Looks like I got a B. We just got a B. Come on now, who can top that? Let me know if you guys play this game. Let me know in the comments. This is definitely one you gotta throw on the list. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm trying to set this up, but I don't know what I'm doing. We trying though. I have to get closer to the mirror for you guys so you guys can see me. Looks like that's where you select the gun. I'm not too sure. Just trying to figure it out. It's my first time. Look at me, just shooting at the screen. Oh, okay. Alright, I was getting the haptics up for the gun. Alright, here we go. You guys ready? Let's get it.
Something to tell you, something that you want like, something that you want like, something.
What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I guess I didn't like that song. This time for real, guys. This time for real. I literally just took my first shot right there. Let's see if I bounce back, or am I gonna make it or not? Let me know, guys. Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna finish this round? Let's see.
Black
see how I'm moving? I mean business right now. You guys see me? I'm bobbing and weaving like, oh, shooting. Bam. Let's see. I couldn't get around it in this dang thing. Oh my god, guys. I didn't make it. But we're newbies and this is what we do. Trial and error, we're gonna come back hard. You guys ready? Let's go. Did y'all see that? That was crazy. That was crazy. I moved around like I didn't even know what I was doing, but I did that. Wow. Guys, I just failed once again. What is going on? Y'all can do better than this, right? Like, that was weak. I don't know what happened. Can you give me one more little match? Come on, guys. One more little match. That's all we need. We're gonna get it in and we're gonna drop it. Come on, guys. Let's go ahead and did it. Tap in. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Let's go. I feel like this is the one we're gonna finish strong for you guys. We started strong, we're gonna end strong. So far so good, so far so good. We shooting it out, let's go. Looks like I want it. It looks like I want it. Almost there. You hear that? We're almost there. Let's go. Guys, we're going in. We're going in. Weaving. Ah. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Do y'all see this? Guys, guys, we did it. Y'all see that? Call him. Let's get it. Let's see that. We did that. We did that. We started with a B, took 2 losses, and ended with a B. And that's how we do it, guys. Just like that. Stay tuned. Noobverse VR. Where we play the latest, newest, present, every single game. It's all new to us. We're newbies. Let's get to it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go.